Hello guys, this is the top salesman Joshua JDB Polerosa. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Kakatapos na po ng Christmas. Baka marami pa pong food dyan sa mga ref nyo. Kainin nyo na po kaysa masira yan. And right now we're going to have our sales activity daily. Yung ginagawa po namin sa automotive business namin. Yun po, bali our topic for today is all about, ano ba magandang topic namin? Ano magandang topic? Kaya lang guys, nag-uusap lang kami ni the top saleswoman. Ayun guys, yun pala, bali I would like to inform you, thank you for all the subscriber, or yung sa mga nag-subscribe, thank you for watching, thank you for following, and thank you for patronizing and sharing the top salesman video. Then yun po, if you need a brand new vehicle, we cater all sa JDB Vehicle Trading. Together with my wife, si wife ko is connected with AutoHub Nissan, kaya she can give you a good deal. She can give you a pass transaction and fast approval for all the Nissan auto loan application or Nissan concerns po for financing or whatever transaction. Even hindi po financing, in-house financing, we cater PO, we cater cash, we cater corporate accounts, lahat po yan guys. Kaya tawag lang po or message lang po kami para matulungan po namin kayo sa lahat ng vehicle concerns nyo. Yan guys, bali topic for today, biglang pumasok sa isip ko, isa po sa major concerns din to ng automotive industry right now. Yun po, bali sa mga sales aspiring agent, I just want to clarify or parang i-emphasize nung mismong topic na to. Right now, marami po nagsasabi na mawawala na ba yung ICE. Alam niyo po ba yung ICE? Yung ICE is internal combustion engine after 5 to 10 years. Po, right now masasabi po natin na ang hybrid or yung tinatawag din natin ng mga EVs is talagang in demand na sa market. But yun nga po, si ICE is still mag-e-exist, yung internal combustion engine po natin na mga sasakyan right now. Pero like I said, mabilis po yung innovation. Kaya same with ano po, same with the technology. Sa atin as a salesperson, lalo na po ngayon sa panahon natin, kung hindi po tayo mag-i-innovate or hindi tayo gagawa ng something new, hindi po talaga tayo mag-i-excel or may iwanan tayo. Same with the story po, kung alam niyo po yung story ng mga company na dati sobra talagang peak or talagang nasa spotlight or ano po sila, nasa ano po, bali kilalang kilala yung brand nila or kilalang kilala yung product nila. Wag na po natin bagitin yung mismong mga company na yun, pero marami pong ganong company at mga produkto. Bali, sige na nga, magbigay na nga ako ng example. Kasi sabi po ng isa sa mga mentor ko, nagbigay sa akin ng magandang idea yesterday night, kausap ko yung mentor ko. Josh, ang ganda ng mga video mo pero most likely magbigay ka ng ng example para mas lalong makakonek or makarelate yung mga viewers mo, especially yung mga aspiring sales agent. Okay, bali, ito po yung example yung sinasabi ko ng innovation. Try to think of it, way back 90s or early 2000. Diba po, sikat na sikat that time yung brand ng isang cellphone. Yung yung talagang lahat po halos ayun yung gamit na cellphone. Tago na po natin sa pangalang Nokia. Yung Nokia po data, yung pag may Nokia ka, talagang parang sobrang nasa in ka, nasa trend ka. Pero bakit dumating yung time na parang magle-late 2010 or papasok na po yung another decades after the early 2000, bigla na pong nagpasukan yung mga major competitors, which is ayun na po, pumasok na dyan si iPhone, na which is meron pa nga po kung mapapanood niyo yung kwento or the movie of BlackBerry, kung paano na nag-start si BlackBerry. And talaga grabe, kinakalibutan ako guys. Pag nakakita ko before ng BlackBerry way back early 2000, mami parang kala mo sobrang grabe, ang ganda-ganda ng technology. May QWERTY pa siya, may yung yung meron pa siyang parang sensor na parang ninanavigate mo doon. Yung mismong parang joystick. Parang joystick pag naglalaro ka ng ano po, pag naglalaro ka ng
lang yan.
Pag naglalaro ka ng PlayStation, parang ganoon, di ba? Talagang most likely yung mga nakakabili lang is yung talagang marami pong cash or they are liquid, malakas sila kumita or marami silang funds, budget. And then, eto na. Dun sa BlackBerry na movie, panoorin nyo po sa Netflix or you can search it, you can stream it online. Bali, yun po, talagang grabe innovation nila na lampasan ni BlackBerry sa Nokia in terms of trend. Then eto na, early 2006 yata or 2008, if kumbaga mga ganun po, or medyo nakalimutan ko lang year. I apologize kung medyo hindi ko gana na alala yung mismong year, but yun po, bali nung lumabas na si iPhone, na which is kung titignan mo, internet, last phone call, then using a video camera so you can able to communicate with people. Grabe nangyari po. Naluma lahat ng technology ng cellphone, which is same with the automotive. Paano po natin i-connect naman yung sinasabi ko sa automotive? Ito na po, kilala nyo naman yung mga electric vehicle. Isa na lang yung mismong pagmamayari or yung company owned nung nag-iisang tech genius na tinatawag po right now, is a billionaire. Ewan ko kung philanthropist siya, pero mukhang philanthropist din, is Elon Musk, the Tesla. Diba po right now, Tesla, self-driving. Once mo na inanto ka at nawala na yung medyo grip mo, nasisense niya, unti-unti pong hihinto or babagal yung unit mo para itabi, para magkaroon, i-safe keep ka niya. Yun po, bali most likely lahat na po global positioning system using the Starlink. Kung marami naman po nakakaalam ng Starlink na internet or satellite ni Elon Musk na connected with the Tesla. What's my point, guys? Everything change, everything's innovate, everything's upgrade. If you will not upgrade yourself to become more knowledgeable and to become more strategic or mas gumaling, or parang hindi ka magi-innovate para mas gumaling or parang mas maging updated ka sa bagong trends, you will be evaporated, or parang you will be evaporized. Mag-evaporate ka na lang hanggang mawala ka na lang. And anong point? Kasi nga they're always a new trend, they're always a new technology, they're always new strategy. Pag hindi ka sasabay sa trend or hindi mo i-equip yung sarili mo as an salesperson na mag-innovate sa strategy mo, or nandun ka na sa comfort zone or nakasanayan mo, and hindi ka na kumbaga pag hindi ka sumabay, ikaw yung may iwan. And that's for all, guys. Hoping na marami kayong natutunan sa simpleng mga educational video na tinuturo ko. It's all about sales. Thank you guys for always watching my top salesman videos. And for me, guys, it's my passion to share with you the knowledge that I gain through the experience, through learning, through dun sa mga mentor, dun sa mga tao na nakakausap ko, and I really listen to them carefully, which is kung napanood nyo yung good listening, learning attitude, skills na tinuro ko, which is ina-apply ko po sa lahat ng mga bagay na ginagawa ko, especially in my personal life, in my business life, in my career life, in my love life, ano pa po bang life. Yun, yung kay mama, yung produkto na for life, pwede din natin yun i-connect, because it's all about life, love, respect, and valuing everything you have, and be grateful for everything. Okay guys, this is the Top Salesman. Thank you for watching. Follow my Top Salesman YouTube account, TikTok account, Facebook account for all the exciting video na i-upload ko pa po in the near future. Thank you guys, and advance Happy New Year to all. Goodbye, bye-bye. Stop recording.
Stop recording.
Stop recording.